Of artificial intelligence could be necessarily coming from whether it could cause death or physical destruction. Artificial intelligence in social media has already fundamentally changed the way people sense and experience the world by personalizing what we get to read, see, and hear in microseconds. It does not really matter whether these artificial intelligence systems have their own agency, are run by humans, or are just stupid, inanimate machines. This would be the other side of artificial intelligence. We are talking today a lot about artificial intelligence, but I'm told that the idea of a machine that thinks, which is what we call artificial intelligence today, really dates back to the ancient Greece days in Greece, but as it is said, from then till date, technology has changed. Technology is evolving on a daily basis. And that is why I think if you are to be successful, you have to keep yourself in touch with the latest aspects of technology, latest aspects of whatever new systems come in your field. And that is why I congratulate the management of this complex for having brought this facility with the assistance, of course, of Intel and Dell, brought these facilities to your doorstep. I appeal to you all, take your studies seriously. I'm sure if you shine in life, you will be making your parents proud. I'm sure many of our parents have had to undergo tremendous sacrifices to educate us, to help us reach wherever we have reached. And the biggest reward you can give them, the biggest reward you can give your professors, the biggest reward you can give these priests who have sacrificed their life for you and me, is to do well, excel in whatever task you undertake. And at the end of the day, you will feel proud of yourselves. I wish you student friends of mine all the very best. Government of Goa has given you all a free facility outside. Do justice, make use of it for the right things. Use it to study. I was the one who identified this complex, that facility should be given to you all, because I believe you all are our future. And our future being in your hands, take advantage of whatever is being offered. And I'm sure we in government would not hesitate to assist, to walk hand in hand with the management here, to help it to bring additional facilities, additional schemes to all of you. I thank Reverend Father Agnel, his staff, for given me the privilege of being in your midst today. Whilst having said that, I'm getting a little notorious for disturbing programs, but unfortunately I have another program, and that is why I spoke before you. So forgive me for that.
Has a long history. We started in the year 1997. It's just 27 years of journey. So in this 27 years, we are having many milestones. So this is today. It is again another special and unique milestone where we are inaugurating three things. So the first, we inaugurated the access point, Wi-Fi access point. As we know, for the professional colleges, engineering students, how much the importance internet is. So to strengthen the network of the internet, so we have installed three Wi-Fi access points, and we are very much grateful to the government of Goa, because this is funded by the government of Goa. And the second thing we inaugurated is AI Skills Lab. So this is a center of excellence. It is in association with the Dell Technologies and the Intel. Two big companies are joining the hands in establishing this the AI Skills Lab. So we are very much grateful to these the companies. And this AI Skills Lab, it is the present day's requirement. See, the background with the engineering, there is a requirement of the AI in somewhere or the other part of the engineering life. You will have to use these AI tools. So this is irrespective of the branches. So this is the excellent facility we are providing to train our students, because finally the students can get better opportunities. They can make their career with these the kind of the additional things. That is what they can have the skills. Because the engineering students, there is the requirement of the practical component, and we are given more emphasis. Even the new education policy also, if you look at, there is more the practical component. So as a part of the enhancing this practical the facilities, so we started the AI skills labs. Then the third part what we inaugurated is the research laboratory. So if you look at our institution history, it is the first engineering college and so many years. So as a part of that, research is also growing, and we have almost 20% of our faculty are already having a PhD from reputed institutions, and many other faculties, they are doing the research. And moreover that, we have started the master's program. It is in AI and data science. So for this, the research component to facilitate the research activities, so we have started with the ME Research Laboratory. So definitely this will, the laboratory will have the high-end computing machines, so where the students can do the projects and also the research activities. So to enhance the research activities, so we have done this inaugurated. So like this, it is the unique, the inaugural function and unique milestone for us. I hope this will all benefit our students. Definitely our students will be benefited, and they will enhance their skills by using all these facilities.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.